Hello dolls, welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony Nikita, the Dominican princess, and I am here to bring you dolls some simple ways you can accentuate your beautiful body. So if you are new to my channel, hello dear. I do post 2 times a week on fashion, femininity, lifestyle, and elegance. So don't forget to subscribe to me down below and turn on your post notifications. So yes dolls, I am here to show you how you can accentuate and complement that beautiful body of yours in a classy way. Now what I mean by that is that we don't want to walk out of the house just showing everything off to where it's like you want people to stare at you, and that just brings negative attention. It's not very elegant nor classy. So not only is this a great way to help you feel more confident, it helps you look more confident. It helps you speak in a more confident way because you know you're beautiful. You know that you're an elegant feminine lady, and you'll feel it. Other people will start to see it, and it will just be so beautiful, and you'll be like, oh my goodness, I can't believe I was missing this before.
In order to look good in anything, it starts with the foundation. So I would definitely recommend you to visit your local lingerie boutique and decide what your actual size is if you're unsure. The wrap style is such a beautiful silhouette. It complements anyone's type of chest size. So whether you have a more full size, a more petite size, or if you're in between, I would definitely recommend this elegant and universal style. I would also say that I do love to wear a nice simple push-up bra with this style because it does help you look a little bit more lifted. And I would say if you are going to show cleavage, make sure it is a small amount. Make sure that you are leaving something left to be desired. Ruffles on the top is such a great way to complement your bust. If you do have a more petite sized chest, then going for ruffles up on top is such a great way to just give that upper half a little bit more volume. Now, if you go for something with double ruffles, that will give you double the volume, and it will definitely complement your chest area. And also for any of you ladies out there who do have a fuller size chest, ruffles is a great way to almost protect it in a sense. It doesn't show it off as much as long as it is straight across like mine I'm wearing. So if you're ever feeling like, you know what, you don't really want to show any cleavage, you want to be nice and covered up, ruffles is such a great way to show that off. Also, drapery tops or tops that have embellishment towards the chest area is a great way to complement your chest. It does bring a little bit more attention to it. It does make it look a little bit more fuller. So if you do have a more petite sized chest and you want to look like you have a fuller sized one, then you could definitely go for more pieces that incorporate those type of details. And of course, for all of my dolls out there, don't forget the power of a great accessory. So wearing a gorgeous necklace, a statement necklace, will definitely bring more attention to your décolletage area. Whatever body shape you have, whether it is hourglass, apple, triangular, square, or pear, the peplum silhouette will give you the illusion of a smaller waist. The peplum silhouette is so beautiful and it's very feminine. It can make any outfit look a little bit more elegant and a lot more chic because of the structure it has to it. This is another feminine and flirty silhouette, and it is definitely a wardrobe essential. To accentuate your décolletage area even more, don't forget to put on body highlighter and body oil. This is a way that you can really step up and complement your décolletage area. And don't forget about your posture, ladies. With good posture comes elegance and confidence.
Thank you dolls so much for watching this episode and joining me once again. Let me know down below, what is your favorite silhouette to wear to complement your body? So this episode was actually inspired and requested by one of my dolls in the comment section down below. So this one's for you. So thank you again to the Learning Ella for really just giving me this episode request and giving me this idea to help more of you dolls out there just feel confident and feel beautiful and feel feminine and classy. And and elegant. So for all of you dolls out there who do have episode requests, definitely comment them down below in the comment section or just DM it to me on Instagram. I definitely look at all of them. I jot them down, so within patience and within time, I will definitely get to them. And I want to thank all of you dolls down there who have been commenting down below in a couple of my episodes, a couple of my videos, and my vlog, because it really means a lot to me and I love talking to you dolls and connecting with you. So welcome to the dollhouse if you're a new subscriber. Don't forget to subscribe to me down below. I do post 2 times a week on fashion, femininity, elegance, and lifestyle. And thank you dolls so much again for joining me, and I will see you in my next episode.